Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, but instantly felt camera shy? Maybe you hate your voice. Maybe you've got bed hair 24/7. Or maybe you just want to make content without showing your face every day, like a Hollywood actor stuck in their bathroom. Well, guess what? In 2025, starting a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier, smarter, or more profitable. And it's all thanks to, you guessed it, AI. Yep, artificial intelligence isn't just writing your school essays or designing logos anymore. It can literally build your entire channel from scratch. You can go from zero to monetized with the help of AI tools, even if you have no idea how to edit videos, write scripts, or talk into a mic. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI in 2025, step by step. We're talking name ideas, branding, video creation, uploading, and yes, getting that sweet monetization money. Let's go. Step 1T, pick a niche you can dominate without losing your mind. Before you even touch an AI tool, you need to choose your niche. This is your content theme, what your channel is about. The good news, some of the best performing YouTube niches don't need your face at all. Motivational content, top 10 countdowns, AI storytelling, mystery or horror narration, productivity tips, finance facts, luxury and wealth niches, gaming compilations, animal clips and pet videos, tech explainers. The trick here is to choose something you're at least interested in. If you pick space tech breakdowns and you hate science, AI won't save you. You'll still burn out. And don't just pick what everyone else is doing. Use a tool like Google Trends, vidIQ, or TubeBuddy to find rising topics in your area of interest. Look for consistent demand and low competition. Step 2. Generate a channel name with AI that doesn't sound like a password now. That you've got a niche, you need a name. Here's a fun tip. Use ChatGPT to generate cool channel name ideas. Just type, give me 10 unique YouTube channel names for a faceless channel about your niche. ChatGPT will spit out options like mystery, mechanic, wealth whisper, brain bite, silent hustle. Choose one that sounds human, easy to remember, and relevant to your niche. If it sounds like a Wi-Fi router, toss it. Step 3. Branding without your face. Logo, banner, and identity, no face. No problem. You still need branding to make your channel look legit. Let's break it down. Use Leonardo, AI or Luca. Prompt it via ChatGPT. Hi. Give me a logo description for a YouTube channel named your channel name about to niche. Take the generated prompt and plug it into Leonardo AI's image creator Alive171 dimensions. Boom, logo done. Banner art. You can generate banner images with tools like Canva or Visme. Search for YouTube banner templates and customize them with your name, niche keywords, and a short call to action like new videos weekly. Subscribe for the best AI stories. Channel description back to ChatGPT. Prompt, write a short but engaging YouTube channel description for channel name, a faceless channel that posts high niche content. Paste it into your channel bio. You're now officially branded. Step 4. Write viral scripts using ChatGPT, even if you flunked English. Now it's time for content. First, you need a script. Let's say your niche is mystery storytelling. Open ChatGPT and type, write a 60-second script for a faceless YouTube Shorts video about a true crime story with a shocking twist at the end. Want longer content? Prompt, write a 5-minute YouTube script in the style of our niche, using a storytelling tone, including suspense and emotion. And boom, a video script that actually sounds like it was written by a human, not a sleep-deprived squirrel. PROTIP, ChatGPT to rewrite viral scripts in your own voice or spin a viral topic with a new twist. Step 5. Generate voiceovers with AI that don't sound like Siri's cousin. You don't have to record voiceovers anymore. No mech. No problem. Tools like 11 Labs, Murph, A-Play, 8T Voice Maker. Paste your script. Choose a realistic voice, as male or female. Adjust tone, pacing, and pitch. And you've got yourself a pro-sounding narration. No vocal warm-ups required. Bonus tip: you can clone your own voice using 11 Labs and still remain anonymous, like being your own ghost voice. Creepy, but useful. Step 6. Create the video with AI. No camera, no problem. This is where the magic happens. You've got a script. You've got a voiceover. Let's make the video. Use these tools. Pictory. Upload your script or voiceover, and Pictory finds stock footage that matches. Add music, captions, video. Great for adding dynamic text, subtitles, effects, and resizing for shorts. Runway L want to go advanced. Use this to create cinematic B-roll or AI-generated video clips. AI, this all-in one tool lets you upload a script, select an AI voice, choose a visual model, and generate an entire video automatically with captions, effects, and background music. And for shorts, you can pump out 5-10 per day with the Faceless Shorts feature inside Vid AI. No editing skills needed. Step 7. Edit and customize. Even if you're a beginner, don't skip this part. It can make or break your video. Make sure captions are readable, big, bold, and fast. Music isn't louder than the voiceover. Transitions aren't jarring. The pacing keeps viewers watching every second. Even tools like CapCut or Descript can help here. Drag, drop, done. Step 80. Thumbnails and titles. The clickbait that's actually legal. Your video can be a masterpiece, but without a scroll, stopping title and thumbnail, it won't get seen. Use ChatGPT again. Give me 10 viral YouTube titles for a video about hard topic. Then use Canva or Thumbnail AI to create thumbnails with big bold text, dramatic imagery, and curiosity. Bad example: tips for productivity. Better. One hack made me work 10x faster. Even better. I tried Elon Musk's 5 a.m. routine. What happened? Make them stop scrolling your job. Step 9. Upload like a pro. Metadata, hashtags, and SEO. Once your video is ready, upload it and do this. 3-3-A-5 keywords in your title. Add 3-4 relevant hashtags. AI Faceless channel for mystery. Use the description box to summarize your video using searchable keywords. Create a catchy, custom thumbnail. Set your video to public and not made for kids, unless it is. Schedule consistently. 3 to 5 uploads per week is a great target. Bonus. vidIQ to track SEO scores and optimize everything. Step 1. Monetize it. Because views are fun, but money is better. How do you get paid? Join the YouTube Partner Program. In 2025, there are 2 ways to qualify for long forms. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, Ls in last 12 months. For shorts, 1,000 subscribers, 10 million shorts views as last 90 days. Once in, you start earning ad revenue. But that's not all. These income streams: affiliate marketing, Ls promote products in your niche, merchandise, sell custom items via YouTube merch shelf, sponsorships, brands will pay you once you have used, fan donations, see YouTube super thanks, Patreon, buy me a coffee. Faceless doesn't mean profitless. Bonus: how to scale. Go from 0 to CEO. Once you've made your first 10 to 20 videos, here's how to scale. Order content, hire a virtual assistant or editor on Fiverr or Upwork, reinvest earnings into better tools. Start a second channel in a different niche tab or Discord server to connect with to monetize letter or ebook to monetize your audience outside YouTube. Don't just make videos. Build a robot and age. And they're right. Your face isn't needed, but your consistency is. You made it to the end! And now you know exactly how to pick a niche, Generate scripts, make voiceovers, create videos with AI to edit like a pro, upload, optimize, and monetize, and grow a faceless channel in 2025. But here's the thing, tools don't build success. You do. AI is your sidekick, are the hero. So take that idea sitting in your head and put it out into the world. One video at a time. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your channel idea. I'll be checking them out! Catch you in the next one. Nation, and remember, you don't need to show your face to leave your mark.